Tata Technologies Q3 FY26 results, revenue growth, margin trends or deal momentum. Tata Technologies delivered a stable operational performance in Q3 FY26, reflecting consistent execution across its engineering services portfolio amid a cautious global macro environment. The company continued to benefit from long-term engineering transformation deals, even as near-term margin pressures remained visible. For the quarter ended December 2025, revenue from operations grew on a year-on-year basis, supported by sustained demand from automotive OEMs, electric vehicle programs, and digital engineering initiatives. Growth was driven by both existing client expansions and new project ramp-ups during the quarter. Profit after tax declined sequentially, primarily due to higher operating expenses, including employee-related costs, investments in delivery capacity, and spending on digital and AI-led capabilities. On a year-on-year basis, profitability remained relatively stable, highlighting disciplined cost control despite continued investments. At the operating level, EBITDA margins moderated during the quarter, impacted by wage hikes, onboarding of fresh talent, and initial costs associated with new deal execution. Management reiterated that these investments are aimed at strengthening long-term growth and improving delivery readiness for large-scale programs. From a segment perspective, the services segment remained the primary contributor, accounting for the majority of revenue. This segment continued to see traction across automotive engineering, EV development, embedded software, and product lifecycle management services. The technology solutions segment delivered stable performance, with steady demand for software-led engineering solutions and platform-based offerings. The company continues to focus on deepening client engagement through integrated service models rather than standalone project execution. Geographically, North America and Europe remained key markets, with demand largely stable despite ongoing global uncertainties. The company also reported improving traction in emerging markets, supported by cost-efficient delivery and localized engineering programs. A major highlight of the quarter was strong deal momentum, with Tata Technologies reporting healthy order inflows and a robust deal pipeline. Several large, multi-year engagements were added during the quarter, improving revenue visibility for the coming periods. The company continued to invest in talent acquisition and capability building, particularly in areas such as electric mobility, autonomous systems, software-defined vehicles, and AI-led engineering solutions. Headcount increased during the quarter as Tata Technologies prepared for future program ramp-ups. From a cost perspective, employer expenses remained elevated, reflecting annual wage revisions and increased hiring. However, management expects margins to improve gradually as utilization levels normalize and newly signed deals scale up. Looking at the 9-month performance of FY26, Tata Technologies reported steady revenue growth, supported by diversified client exposure and strong execution. Profitability for the period remained under pressure due to upfront investments, but management maintained confidence in long-term margin expansion. Strategically, Tata Technologies continues to focus on becoming a global engineering and product development partner, leveraging its deep automotive expertise while expanding into aerospace, industrial machinery, and digital manufacturing solutions. Key factors to track going forward include margin recovery timelines, execution of large deals, demand trends in the automotive and EV segments, and the pace of digital engineering adoption by global clients. Overall, Tata Technologies' Q3 FY26 results reflect stable growth, strong deal traction, and deliberate investments for future scale, positioning the company for sustained long-term growth despite near-term margin pressures.